Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply change a name in Google Meet on your phone. So let's start. It's really important to say you can actually change it through the application of Google Meet. What you need to do is when you go to the left top corner, you're going to see your mail here, right? So what you need to do, you need to access your Google account and change name there, right? So what you want to do is let's go to Chrome. And now just right here, change name Google account or Android phone, tablet, okay. Change your Google name account name. And type Google, manage your account right here. Manage your Google account. And here you need to go personal info, right? And you're gonna see name here, and this is where you need to change. So you need to change the name here, and then it will change also on Google Meet. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day. Yep, goodbye. So you just need to access Google account. Have a great day and goodbye.